Discovering Paradise, Costa Rica's Best Resorts, Part 4. Kura Boutique Hotel. Kura Boutique Hotel is a luxurious and eco-friendly resort located in Uvita, Costa Rica. The hotel is perched high on a hill overlooking the Pacific Ocean, offering stunning views of the surrounding jungle and coastline. The hotel features a unique contemporary design that incorporates natural materials and elements, such as wood, stone, and bamboo, seamlessly blending with the surrounding environment. The property comprises of 8 suites, each individually decorated with local artwork and equipped with modern amenities such as air conditioning, Wi-Fi, and private balconies with sweeping views of the ocean or jungle. The hotel's infinity pool is a highlight of the property, offering guests a breathtaking view of the ocean while relaxing in the water. The hotel also features an open-air restaurant serving fresh, locally sourced cuisine, a bar, a spa offering a range of treatments, and a yoga deck overlooking the jungle. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more new daily content like it in the future.